Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for a main board for LG 34UM95C, I believe. And this is the board, and the complaint about the board was that it comes up with backlight but with no image on the screen, and that's a type of problem that customers can have and maintain that the board isn't working. The board is working as what this video shows, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show up. Let me turn that off. Alright, I want to show the customer that this is their board and not another one, so that they know that what they get back is working fine. Hopefully it will be working fine in their monitor as well. But in case it isn't, because the complaint is not so common, this is the customer's information. They will recognize their handwriting, and that is all. Thank you very much. Hopefully it will work out of the box. If it doesn't, those cables here, this particular one on my end, shows a common problem. You can see how they started being broken, bending backwards, sideways. It will show up sometimes with imperfections on the screen, like periodic horizontal lines or one thing or another. When it gets to that point, of course in this case this is because of the multiple insertions and removals. This whole cable needs to be replaced, but if the board has been out once or twice, most of the time it is okay. Most of the time it is okay the first time they get bent, to also just straighten them up and just very carefully insert. The first few times that will work fine. It gets in bad situation in places like a repair place where you test lots and lots of boards, but for individual customer use, usually it's quite alright to do it once or twice. And even if you have to straighten the tracks, that's fine. And if that's not it, then it's going to be a bad panel. If you still experience the same problem, hopefully you won't, but we're making that video because the problem that was reported when the board came is not a common one. That's all. Thank you.